So hello guys, today in this video we'll be going to do this question number 21. So the question is for Freundlich absorption isotherm, a plot of log x by m y-axis and log p x-axis gives a straight line. The intercept and slope for the line is 0.4771 and 2 respectively. The mass of a gas adsorbed per gram of adsorbent if the initial pressure is 0.04 atom is okay. So let's get to the answer. So the Freundlich theorem is as follow. Okay, x by m. Wait a second. Yeah. So x by m is equal to kp raised to power 1 by m. So now taking log on both sides. So log x by m is equal to log k plus 1 by n log p. So this is a straight line equation. Now comparing this with y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so y, if we compare this log x by m is equal to log k plus 1 by n log p with y is equal to mx plus c. So this is a straight line equation. From here slope is equal to 1 by n and intercept is equal to log k. So slope is given as 2. Okay, and intercept is given as 0.4771. So now we can easily solve k. So to solve k, which is equal to 3 into 1 by n, from here we can find k and it will be 2, and from here we can also find n, which is 1 by 2. Okay, which is 1 by 2. So now x by m is equal to 3p 1 by n. From here x by m is equal to 3 into 4 into 10 raised to power 2 ka whole square. Okay, and we can solve this easily, and the answer would be this 48 into 10 raised to power minus 4 gram. Thank you.